Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, way to go, Dawn. You remembered the sunscreen on this trip, and that's great. I did. And I got 30 for the sunscreen. But guess what I found out yesterday? This sunscreen is not waterproof. So every time I get in the pool, I'm gonna have to put this back on. But guess what? Yesterday, I spent about 4 hours in a pool at this resort, just talking to my fellow travel agents and sharing tips and everything with each other, and this happened. Yeah. I'm Mr. Lobster today. What is it with sunscreen and me on vacation this year? What? Just look at how large this resort is. I have just begun to explore. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's gonna be a gorgeous day. There's my building. I'm up on the 3rd floor, and wait until you see my room. Good morning, everybody, from Cancun, Mexico at the Palace Resort, the Grand. And it's around 8:15 in the morning, and look at this. That's my view, but look at the beach. I mean, I'm the only one on the beach at this time of the morning. I have literally miles either direction all by myself. I don't see another living soul. But this is my wake-up call in the morning. The sound of the waves hitting the ocean. Well, I get to go tour another resort this morning. I'll probably bring you along for a few of the shots. And yeah, let's get going. So one of the first things I did when I landed yesterday is I asked my shuttle driver bringing me to the resort, how did they survive the hurricane last year? You know, all the cruise resorts got hit. And he said, we just felt a tiny wind. And I can tell the difference. Believe it or not, this is kind of the lobby bar at the Palace Resort. That's amazing. Nothing better than these guys when a big group of 15 come up and all order at the exact same time. They love us for that.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you.
All right, what do you think? Beanie? Mimi? What?
On a beach, dog.
Okay. All right, somebody said one of each, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay. I got 2 more. Oh. Raspberry cream. Oh, alcohol. I don't drink. Oh, that one was good. Let's try this, buddy. Okay. All right. I will definitely be back to try this place out again. I stole a couple for the road. They're just too good. Doesn't get much better than this. with this kind of view. Thank you. Oh, it's made fresh because it's 2018. Right? This is awkward.
Okay, guys, you ready to roll?
Ooh. That's actually pretty good. You know, that's pretty deep for a kid's play area.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, don't forget.
This is all my fellow travel agents completely getting lost in the mirror and bumping into mirrors. Hey! It's kind of cheating if you just follow the person in front of you. That's just
No, I'll get lost. I'm thinking that they're like little.
there he is. It's video. Move, there you go. Even doing it here. All right. Okay, it's been a great stay, but it's time to get ready to head to the airport. Gotta go. Holy jumping. I almost didn't do a room tour of my room. I always forget to do the room tour, even on cruise ships. So, room tour.
Just call on me, baby, just wait. I'll be there. I'll just call on me, baby. I'll be there. I'll be there. Call me, baby, just wait. I'll be there. And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, to just call on me to get you, to just call on me to get you, to get you, to just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just call on me. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me. Whoa, say the word.
Okay, I didn't even know these things were here,
Just let me know.
but I'm taking them with me.
Just call on me.
You know what? It's also bar fridge. And, okay. I don't really like colas, but it's free. So I'm taking the cola, and I'm taking some snacks. All right. Hey, you. Hey, Angelina, look what I found. Hi, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this little video of what I could film while I was in Mexico. I'm going to try and get some more footage, but it's pretty hard because I was in a group. This was a work trip, and we were touring resorts, and we were in a big group of 47 people, roughly. Plus, we don't want to disturb the guests who are staying there. Some people don't want to be on film even in the group that we were with, so you have to edit around that and things like that. So I'm doing my best to get out some of the footage and some of the sites that you would see if you stayed at the Palace Resort, either at the Moon Palace, the Grand, or some of the other resorts around Cancun area. And I really enjoyed these resorts. They were beautiful resorts. The service was first class. All you can eat drinks and food and entertainment and pools everywhere. They're all on the ocean. So yeah, they're a very, very good resort. And I was actually surprised. I checked the prices when I got back for the same room that I was staying in, and I was shocked at actually the cost, considering all the things that are included, including airfare. We were talking around $2,500 US, including air for 2 people, unlimited food, unlimited drinks. That's not a bad price at all when you consider everything involved. So if you want to check out more of those, check out the Moon Palace or Palace Resorts, any of them. I went to 7. There's different categories. You have anything from a 1,300 room resort to a resort that only has 64 rooms. So they all have their own distinct personality. So check them out because I think they were worth it. I had a great time while I was there. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos and more tips and more travel around the world, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.